Welcome to the Ultimate King Legacy Companion Guide for 2025. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to conquer the seas and become a legendary pirate. Let's take a look at the latest updates and features that have been introduced in 2025 that enhance your gameplay experience. Mastering core mechanics is crucial. We will break down essential skills that will elevate your performance. Leveling up characters effectively is vital. Here are tips and strategies for optimum skill progression. Let's dive into the new items and equipment available in 2025 that will help you on your adventures. Combat can be intense. We'll discuss effective tactics for tackling enemies and bosses that you'll face. Understanding the expansive world can be overwhelming. Here's a breakdown of key locations and their significance. The community can be a great resource. Here's an overview of online tools and communities to aid your gaming journey. Let's address some common questions and concerns players might have about King Legacy in 2025. That wraps up our guide. Stay tuned for more exciting developments as we look ahead to the future of King Legacy.